Hey guys, welcome back. So if you guys remember last year, I upgraded my stock grill to this one. However, I ran into an issue. So apparently I'm missing a piece. If you noticed here and here, it looks different. So to solve this issue, I decided to get a brand new grill. So I decided to get the brand new Diamond Grille. So I got this grill because I really like the look of it. It reminds me of the W205 C-Class. So here's the grill. As you notice, there are some really nice chrome accents to it, including these little diamond pieces. This grill comes in two options. One is this gloss black, as you can see here. The other is a silver where this black is. But I chose the black because I think that it's gonna look a lot nicer on my car. So let's get to the install. So if you remember last time, I didn't end up installing the support bar. So it's gonna make this really easy. I just have to push it in and pull it up. To install the grill, I just have to line up the sides, line up these tabs, and then pull it through. So here it is fully installed. It fits really well and it looks really good. So there you have it. If you're interested in purchasing this grill, I'll leave a link in the description below. Before I go, here are some awesome before and after shots. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.